Hello students, in this today's lecture we will study wave equations for conductors. These equations are also called as wave equations for lossy media. So in exam derive wave equations for conductors or wave equations for lossy media. Such type of a question is asked or sometimes prove that ऐसे type का question आता है. Okay, so for that we know that Maxwell's equations can be written as, so in the time varying field we know that Maxwell's equations, so for this case, that is a wave propagation in homogeneous lossy media or for conductors or for conducting medium or for good dielectric, generally sigma is not equal to 0, epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r, and mu is equal to mu 0 mu r, and also volume charge density rho v is a 0. So according to all these conditions, Maxwell's equations in time varying field can be written as, so first equation can be written as del dot d is equal to 0. तो ये जनरली क्या रहता है रो v, बट इन दिस केस रो v is equal to 0, therefore del dot d is equal to 0. Then next equation is del dot b is equal to 0. Okay, the next equation, curl of electric field intensity is equal to minus of delta B by delta T. This equation is the same. And next equation, curl of magnetic field intensity H is equal to J bar plus delta D by delta T. Here we know that J is equal to क्या रहता है generally sigma E, and D is equal to क्या रहता है epsilon E. ओके, एंड बी इज इक्वल टू क्या रहता है म्यू एच. सो ये तीनों रिलेशंस ध्यान में रखो, जे इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा ई, डी इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन ई, बी इज इक्वल टू म्यू एच. Okay, so next, so we will derive first this equation in terms of, or for electric field we will derive. So consider previous slides equation, these are the equations. So for electric field, taking curl of equation third, so ये जो third equation है we have to take curl of that equation. So take curl of E, इसका curl ले लो, is equal to minus of curl of delta b by delta t, इसका curl minus of delta b by delta t. ये we know that b is equal to क्या रहता है mu h. So put that value in this equation. So mu taken out, that is a mu minus of mu delta by delta t, and remaining term that is a del cross h, that is a b is equal to क्या रहता है mu h. ये टर्म यहाँ पे फिलअप किया है and we have rearranged this equation. But from Maxwell's fourth equation we know that del cross H is equal to क्या है देखो J bar plus delta D by delta T. So put that value in that equation. So we'll get minus of mu delta by delta T into bracket J bar plus delta D by delta T. Okay. Again here we have to fill up J is equal to sigma E and D is equal to epsilon E. So put that value, we will rewrite equation minus of mu delta by delta T, J is equal to sigma E plus epsilon delta E by delta T. This D is written as epsilon E, and in terms of that we can write here equation. Therefore minus of mu, again rearrange equation, sigma, this partial derivative goes under, that is a delta E by delta T plus epsilon due to E by delta T square, that is a this delta by delta T and this delta by delta T, delta 2 by delta T square, double partial derivative. Okay, here again this left hand side, curl of E, by using vector triple product we know that del dot E bar means curl of E bar is equal to del dot E bar into del minus del square E bar. But we know that del dot E bar is equal to 0. Okay, how? That is D is equal to क्या रहता है epsilon E, therefore del dot E is equal to क्या आ जाएगा 0. So here put the value of del dot E is equal to 0, that is curl of E is equal to क्या मिल जाएगा minus of del square E. So इसका value directly क्या fill up किया है minus del square E is equal to minus of this whole equation, minus of mu sigma dou E by delta T plus epsilon dou 2 E by delta T square. Okay, so minus minus becomes plus, and we can rewrite equation del square E bar is equal to mu into bracket sigma delta E by delta T plus epsilon dou 2 E by delta T square. Okay, so this is a equation in terms of electric field or in terms of E. So sometimes in example that del square E for good conductors is given by mu into bracket sigma dou E by dou T plus epsilon dou 2 E by dou T square or del by 2 E by del by T square. So for electric field we have derived. Then wave equation for magnetic field. So we have fourth equation del cross H equal to J plus delta D by delta T. So taking curl of that equation, both side curl of H is equal to del cross J bar plus delta D by delta T. So del cross J plus epsilon del cross delta D by delta T. इसका curl ले लो. But we have del cross of ब्रैकेट में मेंशन करो सिग्मा ई जे क्या रहता है जे इज इक्वल टू क्या है सिग्मा ई एंड डी इज इक्वल टू क्या रहता है एप्सिलॉन ई बार so epsilon take out and we'll write above equation del cross delta e by delta t. Okay, so next sigma into ये rearrange करो equation sigma बाहर निकालो and sigma into bracket del cross e bar plus epsilon del cross dou e by dou t. ये equation वैसे के वैसा लिखा है. But from Maxwell's third equation for time varying field or for this condition we know that del cross E is equal to minus of delta B by delta T. So put that value. Therefore sigma into minus of delta B by delta T plus epsilon delta by delta T minus delta B by delta T. Okay, ये इक्वेशन को लिखा है in this type में. Okay, that is epsilon delta by delta T minus of dou B by dou T. Okay, and next we have to write माइनस ऑफ म्यू सिग्मा. ये इक्वेशन को फिर से मेंशन किया है. बी इक्वल टू क्या रहता है म्यू एच. ओके, सो ये इक्वेशन को कैसा लिखेंगे माइनस ऑफ म्यू सिग्मा डो एच बाय डो टी प्लस एप्सिलॉन म्यू डो टू एच बाय डो टी स्क्वायर. तो इस बी को कैसा लिख सकते हैं आप म्यू एच फॉर्म में. ओके, ये म्यू एच फॉर्म में. तो फॉर we'll get this equation epsilon mu dou 2h by dou t square. So you can rearrange this above equation minus of mu sigma dou h by dou t plus epsilon dou 2h by dou t square or del square h is equal to mu sigma dou h by dou t plus epsilon dou 2h by dou t square. We know that this curl of h is equal to this equation, but del dot h is equal to 0 and we have to fill up that value directly here del square h. Negative gets cancelled, we'll get this equation. Then wave equation in terms of d bar. So multiply wave equation in terms of d bar, that is in terms of e bar by epsilon. So in terms of e bar का जो इक्वेशन है उसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है एप्सिलॉन से. So we'll get del square epsilon e bar. So epsilon से मल्टीप्लाई किया है is equal to mu of sigma dou epsilon e bar by delta t plus epsilon dou 2 e dou 2 epsilon e bar dou t square. But we know that relation d bar is equal to क्या रहता है epsilon e bar. So del square d bar is equal to mu into bracket sigma delta d by delta t plus epsilon delta 2 d bar by delta t square. So above equation in terms of b bar can be written as, so multiply both sides by mu bar, that is in terms of b bar we have to multiply both sides by mu bar for that. Okay, so in terms of h bar जो इक्वेशन है उसको बोथ साइड को म्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो डेल स्क्वायर म्यू एच बार इज इक्वल टू म्यू सिग्मा डैबा म्यू एच बार बाय डैबा टी प्लस एप्सिलॉन डैबा 2 म्यू एच बाय डैबा टी स्क्वायर. ओके, देयरफॉर डेल स्क्वायर बी बार, दैट इज बी इज इक्वल टू क्या रहता है म्यू एच, वो वैल्यू यहाँ पे फिलअप किया है. डेल स्क्वायर बी बार इज इक्वल टू म्यू सिग्मा डैबा बी बाय डैबा टी प्लस एप्सिलॉन डैबा 2 बी बाय डैबा टी स्क्वायर. So in terms of b bar we have written this equation. Okay, so in this lecture we have derived wave equations for good dielectric, we can say, and very easy equations. We have to write down equations for Maxwell's equation for time varying field first, and then some changes in that equation, that is rho v is equal to 0, then J is equal to sigma E, B is equal to mu H, and J is equal to sigma E, D is equal to epsilon E bar. Okay, so some of the equations का curl लेना है, and we have to use the curl of E bar, that is a vector triple product का formula भी use करना है, and according to that we will get these equations. Okay, thank you.